Hi everybody, this is day 2 of the Wheels of Time Riding Custom Jamboree, and today we are inside the park.
Yes, we're going to have a lot of fun. There's a lot of cars and a lot of people here. We have our celebrity, Horny Mike, with his show trucks going to be here, and a lot of live music.
And I also heard there's a Back to Future vehicle here too, and the Flintstone Mobile.
Oh wow, we got to see those.
Yes, we do, so hopefully we catch up to him.
It says it over there.
This is?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're going to look over your shoulder at me, drop your right hand.
This one.
There we go, perfect.
Why'd they bring it over here?
So Jason, what was it like being inside the DeLorean?
Well, we went back to the future, and then we came back to the present.
Uh-huh.
So,
Yeah. Did you feel rich sitting in that car, or did you feel in the future? In the future, right?
felt like I was time traveling.
Oh, okay. Sounds good. Do you have fun?
Yep.
Okay.
Making sales. Making sales, that's what I do.
No, they were there. When I was last week, I was just looking at that stamping.
Let's just stay on this side of the road. Go this way and then down the other one.
Basic guys. No, did it.
How you doing? Hey!
You got half of the body here, whatever.
Thank you. Yeah, I got it. I'm gonna go.
Like, all right, well, get us as much as you can get us, then we'll take every penny. So, I mean, period.
Few modifieds, right?
Yep.
All right. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. We are here at the 41st Annual Wheels of Time Rod and Custom Jamboree. And you know, every year when we go to special shows, we try to find an interesting person or couple to interview about their vehicle. And today we are with Dick and Terry Feely, and they are from Mooresville, North Carolina. And they have this beautiful 1948 Chevy Suburban Taxi. Well, thank you for coming up to Pennsylvania and joining us.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We
We
come
enjoy
here.
coming here. We got friends here. We
Yeah.
come here almost every year to this
we
event.
enjoy it.
Yeah, we enjoy it very much.
Great. Tell us about your fancy taxi behind here. And I understand it was your idea for the taxi?
Yes, it was my idea. We had a 33 Ford
Victoria.
and it had a back seat but no trunk, and there was never enough room for me when I went shopping. So I said I want something big. So we got this 1948 Chevy Suburban, and we went to a car show in Syracuse wanting to look at the cars, and I saw one that was a taxi, and I said, let's make it a taxi.
She wanted that theme.
I wanted that theme.
That's what we did. Yeah.
And we had friends that had the light, you know, the roof, and somebody had a meter, and we got that. And so,
The medallions are from the period.
Oh yeah, we got a medallion too.
Yeah.
Right.
Wow, I was wondering about the medallions.
Yeah, somebody got the medallion.
Someone gave us one,
Yeah.
and my friend made a mold from it and made two so we could put one on each side of the cowl on the car. And normally they had one just bolted to the hood during that period, so we wanted one on each side, so he made two out of the original one, taking a mold from it. And my friend Angelo also did the paint scheme and all the checkers. And all the body work, the fit and finish is all Angelo's. My work is underneath, the exhaust system, welding and fabrication on the body and stuff like that. Of course, I did a lot of sanding, and I had nubs left for fingers when I was done sanding. And I told my friend in the body shop, I don't care if I never see another piece of sandpaper as long as I live, because I'm done.
Now earlier you were showing me the engine. We saw some video footage of it. What kind of engine do you have in here?
It's a 383 Chevrolet V8 hooked up to an automatic. It's a automatic overdrive transmission and a 9-inch Ford rear. The chassis has been boxed. Has a Kugel independent front suspension from California, and we have a Posey's rear leaf springs in the rear with air shocks to add for any heavy weights that we would have. And that's about it. The body is a 48 Chevy Suburban, and it was the third door was fabricated by my friend in Rhode Island, and then we took it down to North Carolina and finished the car down there in my friend Angelo's shop.
Okay. Well, fabulous. And you have a nice group of friends you were here with earlier, and they have their cars here as well. And one thing what's nice about this show, and I've been hearing it from a lot of people, is everybody that comes here enjoys the show. It's well run. All the funds go to a good cause.
Right.
And basically they feel safe. They feel safe that their car won't be messed with or anything. We have security here.
Right.
And like we were saying earlier, you can leave your chair somewhere, and you know the chair's going to still be there when you come back.
Nobody will borrow it.
Yes. And our friend, our neighbor down the street, a couple of doors down, he's originally from Wheels of Time and from Pennsylvania, and he
Yeah.
moved down to Mooresville too. And
our
he comes
neighbor.
back every year to help run the show.
Oh,
so
okay.
we always get to see him
His
and his
name
wife.
is Barry Orman.
Barry Orman, yeah.
Okay.
And the man up in Rhode Island who did the initial body work, his name was Dick Royer, and he just passed away a couple of weeks ago.
Yeah.
So he was a good friend too.
Good.
He did most of our street rides, you know.
Yeah, he did about 6. He started 6, and we finished them.
Yeah,
So we go way
yeah.
back to the 70s.
So right now
And
we have 4.
Yeah, he also ran the Boston Car Show for 36 years, and we used to go up there all the time, whether we had a car in the show or
Yeah.
not. He was a real good guy. He had a lot of friends, and he'll always be remembered, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Well, thank you very much for joining us, and thank you for telling us about your vehicle, because we don't see many taxis like this.
I know, it gets
And-
a lot of attention.
And this one never was a taxi.
Yep.
She wanted that theme when she saw that 33 Dodge original up in Syracuse, New York, when we were walking around on a fairground. She said, "That's the theme I want."
I wanna
And
make
she
it a
pointed
taxi.
across my face like that. So I never forgot it. And that's
Yeah.
the rest of what we did here. We made it into a taxi.
Now, I understand that's his official chauffeur hat.
Well, we saw it in New Orleans when we were there 2 years ago, and I said, "You got to get this hat for the taxi. You know, it's checkers." So,
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This portion of CWTAP's coverage of the Wheels of Time Rod and Custom Jamboree is brought to you by Star Buick, GMC, and Cadillac, with locations in Easton and in Quakertown to serve you. Visit our friends Cleet Landis, Carol Landis Jarrett, and their staff when you're shopping for a new or used vehicle, and they will treat you right. That's Star Buick, GMC, and Cadillac, with locations in Easton and in Quakertown.